Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to use Asterisk Dialplan variables and global variables on Debian 12. Asterisk is an open source telephony platform which are classified into two types of variables, Dialplan variables and global variables. These variables are used to store and manipulate data within the Asterisk Dialplan and can be accessed and modified during the call processing. Dialplan variables. Dialplan variables are variables that are defined and used within a specific context or extension in the Asterisk dialplan. They are used to store temporary data that is relevant to a particular call or call log. Dialplan variables are scoped to the context in which they are defined and are typically used to pass information between different parts of the dialplan. Global variables. Global variables are variables that have a global scope and are accessible from anywhere within the Asterisk dialplan. They are typically used to store configuration settings, constants, or values that need to be shared across multiple contexts or extensions. Global variables are defined in the Asterisk configuration files such as extensions.conf or other included configuration files. Check the OS version using following command. Go to the following location by using following command. Edit the extensions.conf file for creating dialplan variable and global variable by using following command. Here I am going to create an global variable. I am going to mention the globals section. I am going to create the global variable by using following command. I am creating a global variable name as global var, and the value is this is the global variable. Inside of the dialplan context, I am going to create the dialplan variable. Dialplan variables are created and manipulated using the set commands. Here I am going to create an variable name as my variable. Here I am going to given the value for the variable. Here I am going to mention that variable. This variable will be print as hello world. Here I am going to add the global variable. Now save and quit the file. Log in the Asterisk console by using following command. Reload the Dialplan by using following command. Now I am going to check the variable value by using sweeper and linbound obligation. Now first I am going to call to the 110 extension. Here you can able to see the Dialplan variable value. Now again I am going to check the 112 extension by using linbound and sweeper application. This is the linbound application. Now I am going to call 112. You can able to see the global variable value. Exit the Asterisk console. Dialplan variables and global variables creation steps has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.